Good afternoon, traders. Here's your market update covering the US dollar, crude oil, and gold. So starting with the US dollar, the dollar remains in focus as geopolitical risk ease and traders shift attention to Fed Chair Powell's upcoming testimony to the Congress. If the threat of another oil price surge continues to fade, it could help ease concerns about the inflation and global growth, encouraging renewed dollar weakness. And markets are watching closely to see if Powell signals that July is a live meeting for the rate cuts. And so far, he has avoided terms like soon appropriate, suggesting the Fed is still in wait-and-see mode. However, Governor Waller has shown openness to a rate cut next month and possibly a total of 75 basis points this year, while other officials lean towards just one or even no cuts at all. So expect Powell to echo the Fed's recent messaging while fielding questions that could reveal more about the timeline for easing. So next, moving to the crude oil. The oil prices have come under pressure as Iran's limited response to recent US airstrikes has reduced the market's war premium. Traders viewed Iran's missile launch as ineffective, and the absence of a strong counterstrike suggests that the risk of near-term supply disruption has eased. However, tensions are far from over. Qatar condemned the US action and claimed the right to respond, framing that the incidents as a potential violation of its sovereignty. While direct escalation seems unlikely for now, a risk remains. Iran could still use indirect methods like proxy forces or cyber operations to retaliate. And for now, though, Iran appears to be avoiding moves that would weaponize oil exports, which has contributed to crude's recent pullback. And finally, gold. Gold has stayed relatively muted despite geopolitical headlines. But its strength isn't just as a safe haven. It plays a vital role in portfolio diversification. Asset managers continue to view gold as a store of value, a risk diversifier, and a steady performer in uncertain times. The unpredictability surrounding US fiscal and foreign policy under the Trump administration is likely to support this view. And continued dollar outflows could also add upward pressure on gold. While prices remain range-bound for now, the longer-term outlook remains bullish, with expectations for strong central bank and ETF demand. Our medium-term target remains 3,800 an ounce. So that's your quick wrap for today. Stay tuned for Powell's testimony and keep an eye on the geopolitical developments. Thank you.